Hi and welcome to day 12 of the Haynes Advent Calendar Radio on the 12th of December. So let's get this out of the way for a minute. Not forgetting the little spare resistor. And let's have a look at number 12. What have we got in door number or behind window? Another switch. Right. So it's another double pole switch. Momentary, so push to activate and release to switch it off. Exactly the same as the one that was, I don't know what day that was, but the one that enables the scanning, which is a godsend. So yeah, it's a double pole. So it's got 4 pins, so there's 2 switches in there really. So let's see, have a look in the manual, see where that goes. So day 12, let's have a look, day 12, 12, 10, 11, 12. Oh hello, what have we got here? So it looks like up and down scanner. So you can use it to add an extra switch so you can start the station search in both directions. Scan up F plus and scan down F minus. Alright, okay. The 1K resistor is also used here. It makes your radio more secure as it protects against incorrect operations. For example, when someone presses both push switches accidentally at the same time, there may be a short circuit in the battery. Oh, really? The resistor ensures that the current remains low and safe. Oh, I see. Yeah, if you've got one switch on the positive and one on the negative, yeah. So other simple radios only have one scan function in an upwards direction. If you want to go back to the previous station, you have to start the entire search all over again. So yeah, this would make sense. 2 buttons for up and down provide extra convenience. You can continue searching and then go back to the previous frequency very easily. It's a special feature of this radio IC that allows both directions to be controlled using the same S connection on the board. Okay, yeah, it is unusual. Normally the scan pin has half the operating voltage at approximately 1.5 volts. The lower button can switch the voltage to earth so that the scanner started at lower frequencies. The upper button switches the input to 3 volts and starts to search in the other direction. So let's get that in circuit then. Let's pop this back up here a minute so we can see where we are. So we've got a couple of things. We've got to add in the 1K resistor into the scan line up here. Let's get you in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm up to. I've sort of got it off to one side so I can read the diagram at the same time. A bit more interesting than a resistor, isn't it? That's for yesterday. Okay. So we've got to pop the resistor back in, so that goes in line with the capacitor in the scan circuit there and comes down across to here where this other switch is going to go. So let me just straighten the legs on that one as well, make it easier to get in the holes. Hopefully that'll sort that. So that needs to go in the scan circuit. So one gap there, so it's going in pin 5 down the bottom. I think that's in. Is that one in? No, I'm not convinced that's making a very good connection there. It's not really designed to be pushed into these. Nope. Perhaps I should have left them as they were. Right, okay. You're not going to behave, are you? Let's try it that way round. That might be better. Okay. There we are. That's better. I had the pins the wrong way round. Okay, that's that one in. So then the resistor has got to come in line with that one. In there. So yeah, there we have it. We have the two switches with a resistor in between, both in the scan circuit. Everything else looks the same. Let's connect everything back up. Then I think we're good to go. Ooh. Okay, so let's give it a go. So this is scan up. Oh. Hang on. We forgot the antenna, which has decided to pop out. No antenna, no signal. Let's just hook that back up. Try again. There we go, so scanning up. So we're going further. So if I scan back, oh.
Listen, that one also reminded me.
Well, yeah, it works. It works. So scan up. So classical music there. Scan back. Back to the guy speaking. Very good. Well, that's a long gap between channels, or something's come loose again. Notice that light flickers every time. I suppose it's switching that. Huh, it's taking it to negative, that's taking it to positive. Very clever. Yeah, breadboard's not making the best contact, I must admit. Yeah, there's some of the connections are a little bit sensitive here. For some reason you need to like disconnect the power supply, then reconnect it to set it going again. Let's see, I've just touched that.
Put it down. Oh, such a cliche.
Yeah, it's very sensitive to being touched. Doesn't like it. To say, I'd definitely get this on a piece of Vera board, I think, when this is all finished. There we go.
Sirens and rain. Here it is.
Give me one reason I should go inside.
Yeah, it's working well. Apart from the dodgy connections, which, you know.
For Liam.
He's 14. He's done alright so far.
If it eases his part a little.
So you only got a touch. Well, there's an R on there, so that could be a reset switch, hopefully. It needs it. Come on. Got to finish on a high. Oh. Yeah, we go.
Yesterday.
No music variety.
This is hard.
I thought we have some Christmas music, but it doesn't appear to be any on.
Keep us afloat. The iron stitches of instinctual solve.
You should be rolling me. You should...
Well, bit of robbery.
Yeah.
Well, there we are. Day 12 over. Interesting. Ah, there you go. Bit of Christmas. There you go. Better take that out in case it's copyrighted. Well, it probably is. Seems that everything is. So anyway, that's day 12 done. Hopefully join me again tomorrow for day 13. See what other interesting items. That was a little bit more interesting. We've got an up and down scan feature now, with a 1K resistor in between to prevent the battery going pear-shaped. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and see you again tomorrow.